Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and welcome to your first affiliate marketing sales funnel, lesson 2. So in the first lesson, I talked a little bit about generally how to build a sales funnel and showed you how to get set up with GrooveFunnels. If you haven't checked that out yet, if you don't have GrooveFunnels yet, the link for it will be in the description, and you can check out the intro video before you watch this one if you want, or you can always skip to this one. Now, I mentioned using GrooveSell and creating a complete sales funnel in the first video, but I kind of got a little bit ahead of myself, and then I realized that we don't actually need to use GrooveSell or Groove Affiliate for this sales funnel because it's an affiliate marketing sales funnel, and basically all we need to do is capture the lead's email address and contact information, and then we can send them off to an affiliate offer. And that's basically your entire job as an affiliate marketer when it comes to the sales funnel. So we're just going to look at that quickly, and then I will show you how to create a full sales funnel in case you want to incorporate your own product sales, because you actually can incorporate your own product sales with affiliate marketing, and using them together can be really powerful. So anyways, this second edition of how to build your first affiliate marketing sales funnel is going to be all about using GroovePages to create a opt-in page, also known as a landing page or squeeze page. And the reason it's sometimes called a squeeze page is that you're basically trying to squeeze some information out of your potential lead. So I'm here in the GroovePages dashboard. I got here just by clicking on GroovePages in the GrooveFunnels submenu. Over here on the side, right there. And then I can't come here, and I just need to click on New Site in order to get started. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to be working with templates because using templates makes a lot of sense. There's a lot of really beautiful templates here in GrooveFunnels, and most funnel builders or page builders that you're going to have out there are going to have templates as well. So this is just going to be a simple PDF opt-in giveaway. So I'm going to find an appropriate one for that. See if there's a, yeah, here we go, lead magnet. So we have two different high converting lead magnet thank you pages. We'll go with this one because it's a little bit different than normally. I do something more like this, but so I'm just going to do this one because I want it to be a little bit different than what I make myself. And so you can preview it with this button right here, but I'm just going to select it, and it's going to ask me to put in a site name. So let's see, for this site, I will call it Martial Arts, because I'm interested in creating a martial arts oriented funnel. And I'm going to click on Start Building. So now it's just going to pull that template in and basically generate the website for me. And now here we are inside the opt-in form. We've got a checkout right here, powered by GrooveSell checkout. Oh, so I'm actually going to replace that. The first thing I'm going to do, though, is just kind of give you an overview of how to use this. So different softwares may work differently, but I'm going to stick to kind of guiding you based on what works in GrooveFunnels. So here in GroovePages, at any time, you can go into the top right menu here and go to Site Settings. And this is where you can change the website name. You can choose a favicon image, which is the image that appears in the upper left corner of the browser when you're visiting a website on desktop. You can choose a default font. So I think I'm just going to go with Roboto. You can add custom CSS here. You can include scripts in the head, in the body, and in the bottom of the body. So that would be where you put your Google Analytics code, your Facebook pixel code, and any other JavaScript that you need to integrate with the website. If you want to integrate it with the entire website, this is where you do it. If you want to do it just with an individual page, then there's somewhere else that you can do it. And then right here is where you set the OG image. The OG image is the open graph image, and that is also known as the social share image. It's what shows up when you share your link on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. And so whatever you set here will be the default OG image for this website. So anyways, that's your site settings. And then if I click on pages over here, I can go to my page settings, which is just right here under these three dots. And then I click on edit settings, and I want to change the page name to, I'll just call it martial arts landing page for now. And then you can also change the page title. I'm just going to copy that and paste it. And then for SEO purposes, you can add meta keywords and meta description. I'm not going to do that right now. You can set a font. I'll set it to Roboto again. Oh, it's just going to leave it at font because that's the default font of the site. You can include custom CSS here. I wouldn't necessarily mess with the custom CSS right here unless you really know what you're doing, because it's kind of already set up from what's happening on the page. Like I mentioned, you can include custom JS, custom JavaScript, and tracking codes right here at the page level. So if you just want it in an individual page, then this is where you would put it. And then you can also set the OG image at the page level right here. And then to save those changes, I'm just going to click on the check mark. So that is kind of basically how you manage site settings and page settings. And we're just going to take a quick look at how to manage funnels and elements and blocks, and then we're going to wrap this tutorial up. So if you go to funnels, you can actually add pages essentially in groups. So if I want to add a page, interesting. So they've actually got full funnel templates in here. I did not know that. I'm just going to start with a blank funnel though. And then now I've got my funnel created, funnel 1, and then I'm just going to click that to add a page in there. And I'll just use the templates. Like I said, I'm just going to continue using templates. See if I can find this lead magnet one that I have here. Doesn't have any kind of search there. That's unfortunate. But actually up here, just so you can see, this is a pre-created template of mine. So this is where your own templates are. And then underneath of it, they have other templates. Oh, I know what I can do. Huh, I really thought that would work. Oh wait, no, I need lead magnet. Okay, this is the one that I want right here. So we're going to select that. And we go into pages, funnels. So I haven't quite figured out exactly how this works yet, but I guess funnels are separate from individual pages. So I wonder if I can move this. Nope. All right, so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to work in my funnel rather than in my ordinary page. So I'm going to actually set this one as the home page, which is something important for you to know. If anytime that you want, you can go next to a page, click on the dots, and then go to set as home page, and that'll set its name as /index, and that'll make it automatically by default your home page. So I'm just going to come in here and actually delete this page because I don't need it anymore. and that's how you delete a page. And so now I'm here in funnels with my page 1. I'm going to go to edit settings, and I'm just going to call it martial arts landing page like the other one was called. And so that's how you work with funnels and pages. Pop-ups works very much the same way as pages, just on a smaller scale. And then individually you have blocks. With blocks you can drag and drop kind of entire sections. Just to give you a look at some of them, they look kind of like that. And so you can grab entire sections and just pull them in there. And then elements are the individual things on the page, which you can also grab and drag and drop in there. So I'm going to show you exactly how that works in the next tutorial. And but this is going to be the end of part 2 of how to create your first affiliate marketing sales funnel. I hope that you found that helpful. Leave me a like and a subscribe, and I will be back soon with the next installment of this series.